but the greatest facilitation should go to the audience. So let's clap for ourselves for the success that you have achieved. It should be the loudest from all of us. So once more, hip hip, hooray! The task given to me when Amit came to me and said that you have to speak on the career counseling. I thought if I am being used as a tomato on a cake, abhi sab अच्छा सा संगीत चल रहा था, dance चल रहा था, and then suddenly career counseling. Having said that, I think this celebration that we have today is an output of the great labor, perseverance, intelligence, and a constant work for an year or two. And hence it is important for us to know that how can we be a part of a bigger celebration, much larger celebration, maybe at the world stage, at the New York, at France, at London, and in Delhi. And hence my few words. And I'll take only 5 more minutes to talk about 3-4 myths. Am I audible at the last? Yes, fair enough. So there are 3-4 myths on which I want to talk about. Myths are something which are mistakenly believed in their society. First myth, and say yes if you believe what I'm saying. A, when our teachers, when our parents ask us, beta kya acha lagta hai tumhe? Science, physics, maybe within science, physics, chemistry, biology, history, sports, music, philosophy. Great. Let me tell you what happened to me. Morning when I read the newspaper, I think physics is the greatest thing. In afternoon when I'm watching the TV, I want to become a musician. In evening when I'm watching a day-night match and Sachin is cracking another century, mujhe to wahi pe next century marni hai. By night when you're sleeping and you're listening to music, next Atif Aslam is what I'm going to be. Does this happen to you? Yeah. People take it as abnormality. People take that liking too many subjects is a problem. Your teachers, your parents, your relatives tell you, इतने सारे subject कैसे like कर सकते हो? एक चीज पढ़ो. Friends, let's understand, the people around you whom you respect most are the one who knows most about most of the things in the world. It's a great asset to like too many things in the world rather than liking just one subject. So never feel frustrated by the confusion which you get between the subjects. We must understand confusion comes to active minds. Sleeping minds never get confused. Let's enjoy the confusion between the subjects, and as we go forward, we'll realize that we'll find love in one or the 2 subjects which will take it forward. Point number 1. Point number 2. Lot of people ask us to follow our dreams. You have seen 3 Idiots, haven't you? All of you have seen 3 Idiots? Great. In many other films also, you'll be asked to behave like a saint or an ascetic. So if I want to become a musician or an actor, what I'm supposed to do? डिग्री के बाद सब नौकरी वोकरी छोड़ दो और सीधे बॉम्बे जाके धरना दे दो. Struggler. The new generation is of different type. We must understand that we have a responsibility from our parents, from our society. And to become a musician, we not necessarily do not leave our job, not our studies. Look around us. Have you heard of Dr. Palash Sen? Have you heard of him? Do you know what is his degree? He's a doctor by profession. There are so many people who follow their dreams of being talented artists, but after taking a great degree from a great university. So whatever you want to do it along with your school, along with your college, and then probably you'll be one of the Oscar winners, you'll be one of the Nobel Prize winners, and we then probably can celebrate at a larger stage. The last, and but not the least, is that I personally have attended many management training from great leaders whom I have been audience, and they tell us what to success. What is the key to success? Number 1, the key to success is to keep on exploring. अभी अगर हमें बोले बेटा क्या खाओगे, Brazilian pizza या Chilean pizza? I don't know, how can I say when I have not tasted? So when you are given an opportunity to choose a field, how can you decide without knowing it? So the challenge is, keep looking for it, keep falling in love with different subjects, and sooner or later, you'll find the way that you want to go for. Point number 1. Last, and but not the least. Even when the greatest of CEOs, when greatest of the scientists, when the greatest of politicians comes on the stage and talk about how they have become great, everything boils down to what our mother, to what our teacher has actually told us at the age of 3 years, 5 years, 6 years. All the knowledge of the world, all the gyan of the world boils down to 3-4 things which all of us know. What is that? Hard work, perseverance, intensity, and never say die attitude. So let's clap once more to our spirit of never saying die, and all of us should become great, greater and greatest in next 10 years. Thank you very much and all the best to you.